Yo, yo, what's going on, guys? It's me, Master Carrot, and today, no, not Master Carrot. God, okay, I keep saying Master Carrot for so long, but anyways, yo, what's going on, guys? It's me again. It's me, DevRoland, and today, wait, oh schmucks, I lost my. So this is the fifth time I lost my fluffy glass. Okay, this is not good. Shade glasses. No, sunglasses. There are sunglasses. PNG. I keep losing it. Like for life of God, I keep losing. Why I keep losing it? Oh God, no, not in the maps. Anyways, yo, what's going on, guys? It's me again, Mr. Carabot, or it's me, Roland, and today we will have a very brand new video idea. To the people who does not know, so I've been using Gdevelop for so long, and for you who does not know what Gdevelop is, it's the most greatest game engine of them all. Therefore, this tutorial would try its best, or try my best, to hopefully, when I say hopefully, I meant hopefully, try, there it is, oh never mind, it's actually here, here we go. Yeah. So, there you go. This video tries to hopefully create a platformer or showcase a platformer game in Gdevelop. But like to the people who does not know how to create one, you could always just use the AI itself. So for example, you want some AI platformer. So let's just say create a forest platformer. Main character is a slime. I'm pretty sure I just read from the main Gdevelop community that the AI that actually uses this is somewhat very meh, to say the least. It's like very somewhat questionable, but for a game engine or for a basic AI, I'm pretty sure this is good. You should always not rely on AI because AI is once again a bad shit stuff. I mean, people say this is a bad thing, but like, it's just more of how you use it. Okay, it's more of how you use it, and as you can see, Gdevelop has successfully generated as a simple game, though it does not follow the same trope that is a plan. Oh, actually, it actually did. But as you can see, yeah, as you can see, it's very basic. It's a platformer game. It has a very basic parallax programming. It has a parallax background, and yeah, whatever it has, although it does not have the same UI, which is a questionable thing. Yeah. So now what? Like you might be saying, Roland, what's the point of having a tutorial then? This tutorial aims to hopefully create a simple crash course on how you can create your own very original game. And like AI, which has a very limitations, and as you can see here, if you check the game scene, you totally wouldn't understand it correctly. Like, I mean, you could try understanding it. You could see win game here, it has shit. But like, AI has a limitation such as having one game scene. If you want to create your own multiple scene, this tutorial should hopefully cover that one out. So this tutorial, we're gonna go with basics. First, we're gonna start our name our shits. We're gonna name this platformer tutorial. Okay, so we also have this optimized for pixel art, which is what we're gonna use anyways. We don't use hyper realistic. Why would you want to do that? Okay, unable to create. Okay, that's actually, you don't actually use this one. You use this one, so it should do it. It's perfect. Okay, it's perfect. Okay, here we are. Okay, so what you gonna do? Okay, actually, I clicked that thing. Okay, is to create a simple canvas. If you create a successful canvas right here, or sometimes you just go, you after creating it goes right here. For some odd reason, you just tap in, find the untitled scene, and double tap it. We'll showcase this thing. Perfect. And download the pack that we'll be needing. I think. Let me check it. If Roblox, I mean like not Roblox. I meant this. Let me check if we have here. You can go here to the asset store, which has a lot of stuff actually. Although some of them are paid, not not to mention, oh man, all of them are expensive. Jeez. Although some of them are expensive, we've got the basics here, which showcase the platformer, which is this is what we're gonna use. Gdevelop platformer. We're gonna add this to our asset packs. We have 15. This, by the way, this tutorial does not include an enemy tutorial because the enemy system, for that you'll need greater crash course. This thing is more of like how you get grasp on Gdevelop, not entirely create an entire platformer game because I don't actually know how to create their own AI. Yippee! I'm just sharing what my knowledge looks, or what is my knowledge regarding this engine. Yes, I'm going to also share some few um, techniques that I found while messing around with this. Okay, so once we've started with that one, first gonna remove that one. We first place the background. The background would essentially be our main template of the game. Although be aware though that making a big makes this. This is what you called I forgot what it's called. Let me check. It's actually called tiled sprite, which is it duplicates. Yes, it duplicate itself depending on stuff. But the good thing about this one is that it's actually do infinites, so you could do a lot of stuff here, including maybe creating a running game or something in between. This is a platform or an image that we'll be using as a platform. You can stretch that one out using these blue things here, and you're probably saying, Roland, how do you create your own character? How do you create something like the thing? First, you drop this red hero. We'll be using red hero for our main task subject, and we're gonna install this thing, or we're gonna install something on him called behavior. Edit behavior, add a behavior right here, and put him a platform character. There he goes. You could try messing around with this one, but for now, you could not. You could click that one, and you could also do here and put edit object and behavior once again, and platform, which would allow the player or the player character to step on it. Which, as you can see, if we play the game here, play this system. There we go. See, yeah, sure. Yep. This, as you can see, we've done it. You press space to jump and that. So you're probably saying, Roland, why my damn thing, or like, why is this damn thing not stepping on the right position, or why is there like a big gap in between? Basic fixing. You just have to click edit collision mask and go find this thing here. Click use custom collision and lower the damn thing. Lower it right about here. Lower around here. Yeah, we'll just use this one right over here. There we go. And adjust for a bit and close and apply. Once you preview it, you could see that it wouldn't stepped on. As you can see, it's no longer stepped on, or like there's no more gaps. And once you fell, by the way, you fell forever. Okay, that's good. We have successfully made the first part of platform. Using this, you can already probably make a simple like level. But you're probably saying, Roland, if I do this, it looks stupid. I mean, no, actually, when if you look at it, actually, it's not actually looking stupid at all. Why not? So you're probably saying, maybe I want to put a block here. Let's say you want to put something right there, and you want to put ladder in between it. How will you tackle it? First, you click the image right here. As you can see, tap it here, and click behavior once again, and add behavior. Put platform once again, and set it to ladder. This would make the platform character be a ladder. Adjust the advanced position you want, and also there you go. There you go. Perfect. Once you're satisfied enough with the look, you can go here, and oops, there you go. Here, and press space, up key, and voila. That's simple. This game engine is pretty cool, actually. Pretty cool. Though it even adds this bump if you want. Okay. So what next? Maybe you want maybe you want the red hero to be the center of the camera. You want it to be like similar to Mario's, where the camera always locates to this guy, the red hero. It's very easy to do it. Just go here and click extension, and find camera. Don't worry, this is pretty self-explanatory. Just trust me. We'll go with smooth camera and install in project. There you go. What's added? Make sure to check see if there's no error. The extension was added to the project, which means it's successfully installed. Click close and click closed and go here once again. You can delete any script that is available there. It isn't necessary, and clean if you want. We're gonna do here a camera script, and add here, there, add a condition always, and okay, actually no, never mind. You could always just leave that be, and find here the smooth camera, which is right over here. If I'm not mistaken, or not. There you go. Move the camera. Where is it? Wait. Actually, I think they changed it. Let me check. You could always just, if you couldn't see anything in between, or like what happened right now, you can always just click add behavior and see if there's it. Once again, there it is. Smooth camera or smooth platformer camera. Should always accept that one because we're doing a platformer game. Click preview, and once you see, beautiful. See that, guys? Sometimes Gdevelop does not 100% use or require coding. You just have to use this thing. Great. You just need to use the system to, get a grasp of it. Okay? So you're probably saying, Roland, I want to put this thing like I want to make the red hero flip. Okay? You type in. Actually, it's pretty basic. You just have to type in the platform here, like let's say key. Like a key press. A if you want to unflip it, and A flipped it, and B to flip it, and you have to where is it? Make sure to put in flip. So flip horizontally, flippable. Okay, and then yep, paste. Yes, I think this is inverted actually. Yeah, no, and this, yes, there you go. So this should, oh no, this is dumb. Oops. There you go. As you can see, we set it, but like I set it to the wrong one. Arrow, left, right. I think no, actually that's also wrong. My left and right is actually inverted. I'm so okay. There you go. Beautiful. As you can see, it's done. This is a platformer. It's already a platformer, but there's something wrong. Like there's something missing. I can't pinpoint it. If you guys can pinpoint it, congrats. You are a good game developer. But if you're not, the thing you miss is the key. The collectibles, because every platformer has collectibles nowadays. So how do you do that? This is where the scripting of the Gdevelop begins, because man, Gdevelop, whew, it's like the first ever game engine that doesn't require coding, and also everything is just pre-built. Okay, pre-built. So we got here the coin that we will use. Okay, first you'll start to create a global variable. So what is a variable? Variable is basically where you store data, and we're gonna put in gold here. Apply, so we saved it, and then we put a text here. Now you might be saying, Roland, this text is, wait, let me just check again. Gold. There you go. So apply, paste it here, but then like once you played the game, the damn thing does actually not follow you. Like look, it does not actually follow you. Instead, it just stays there. Well, how is that? How are you gonna fix that? You can always fix this by clicking gold label, edit, and then like, wait, actually that's the wrong one. You can always just create a new UI layers panel, add layer, and then type in UI. This is where we store all the UI, and the gold will be placed on the new base layer, which is the UI. This will in turn allow us to, put it as a UI. As you can see, let me show you. It's now official right here. As you can see, it's right here. Now, if you check this one, if you doesn't believe me, it's no longer there. Okay. I think this also applies to this thing. I'm not sure. I'm gonna check. So you can add a layer. I actually don't know how to make a parallel map. That's why I don't tackle that one when I make games. GUI. Let's make a GUI and then put these GUI right here. You think it'll work? I think that'll. I don't think it'll work, but like sure. Okay, it actually worked. Oh, holy shit! Yeah, I'm still surprised I did that. Okay, yeah, that's good. Good. Okay, that's actually pretty bad. I think we can always just modify the camera. First, I'm just gonna check if we need to check first because it's hard. Control C, Control V, so you can copy paste it and then like lower it up down a bit and then place it right here so it looks more. There we go. Not really. I guess it just has to do with the thing. Maybe around here. Yeah, there's like somewhat tint that I don't think they blend well, but for now it'll do. Okay, so the gold here would serve as the collectibles. So how do you script that one? You script a new script called coin script. You can always name this one on yourself, like on your own. This thing's just naming convention that I put because I don't want to mess with stuff. So you put collision and player. Where is it? There goes the red hero. Okay, then always put once. True once while triggered. This will prevent multiple executions. That's gonna cause a lot of problem. And then you put global. Global. There you go. Action. That's I pressed the wrong one. You put global. Okay, make sure maybe not use, yeah, equals and add 1 there. Then make sure to delete the coin by clicking here and delete object. Once you've done that, as you can see, it will automatically delete itself once we step on it. Look, boop. Now we just need to put the gold, which is very not seeable. I'm going to make that one a bit more better. I suppose we can choose white as a thing, so it should look a bit more better. Okay, so now we're gonna do a tracker, which would showcase the coin that we got. So remove the condition, don't put anything, so it serves as an always. Then go to gold label. No, I clicked the wrong thing. Oops. You click the gold label and you clicked text, and then set to gold plus then global variable to JSON, global variable string, then gold. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it'll showcase the gold to you, and it'll work. So you can see we can go here and step on it and like boop 1. Okay, that's good. Good. So you've done that. You've done everything that's right here. What's next? What's next? That's losing without what? I mean, it's not on our platform. Animation. So as you can see, I think Red Hero has animation pre-built by Gdevelop. As you can see here, it has animation pre-built. So what we can do is go here. I think it's on. There's also. I'm not sure if it's on the behavior. Always check on the behavior before you do stuff because the behavior can do a lot in terms of everything. Then none. So there's no none. As of right now, it's none. I suppose. we do an animation handler event. Animation handler. There you go. First, we're gonna test. I'm not sure if allows, but like back in the global Gdevelop 4, it allows us to check if we're walking. Yeah, there you go. Is moving. Then okay. Then we set the red hero's animation to current flame animation by name is equal to idle run. This would work. There you go. This should fix it and then jump. So we could put this jumping. Okay. Then change the animation to jump. Beautiful. Then we set this back again and find is falling. Click OK. Then set this to fall. Then once again you do. I hope you are following because I hope I'm not too fast. Climb. Beautiful. And click preview. It'll work. I think. There you go. That's not. See, as you can see, we jump, boop. But now we've got a problem. It's moving alone on its own. Like the animation doesn't stop actually. We put another one here and then type in this is wait, there you go. It's not moving. You click is moving once again, then click OK, then click J, then set this to idle. This should add the idle animation that is left out. There you go. And then we walked and then we jump and voila. That's the entire animation system. Pretty basic, pretty self-explanatory. Yeah, pretty much all the things you need here is pretty much here already. As you can see, beautiful. You jumped. There's no actually death system yet, but I hope you can handle that one. You can always add your own stuff here, which is I'm gonna showcase to you. Add scene, which has death. You put death. Then like we add text here. Let's say you died. Then yeah, you died. We'll put that one there. You died. We'll put 50, so it's large. Then drop it here. You died. Beautiful. Go here to the untitled scene and then create a simple box. Yes, death box. We're calling it the death box and we're creating it with Pisco. You can use any kinds of image editing software. But for me, I'm just going to use this one because we're just gonna make this one hastily make one. A death box that once the player touched, they will die, and make sure to hide it as well. So we're gonna put a death system. You can always name your own stuff. You can always name it to your liking. But for me, I'm just gonna call it death system and make sure to set this to the beginning. Yeah, at the beginning of the scene, click OK and hide it. We don't delete it because deleting it removes the code or this thing itself. We need to hide it and then collision with the red hero, teleport us or go to scene. As you can see here, as you can see, you'll go find it here, scene, and change scene to death. Then click OK, preview. Okay, there you go. And then once we jumped here, and boop, you die. As you can see, that's pretty much all the things you need for this crash course of making your own platformer. Once I know how to make enemy, I'm pretty bad when it comes to making enemy things. Once I've learned how to create an enemy and how to create checkpoint, you could always check out actually here in the extension. There's a checkpoint here if I'm not mistaken. Checkpoint. There we go. Checkpoint. Yeah, this expansion is the last one. Yeah, as you can see, this one, using this one, you could use this as a checkpoint system, or we could also do tutorials on like particles. For now, this crash course aims to hopefully make the beginners grasp on how Gdevelop works. So see, we're placing that one here, and we're putting another event here saying you win. as you can see, it's just similar to death, but this time it's door, win, um, another one, text, text, 50, and then door, I mean, no, win, apply, win, drop that one there, untitled screen, put it here, click this, event grouped, win door, win system, and here we go, collision with the door. First find the door and collision with red hero. Okay, and scene, I go to, I mean, scene, oops, it's not supposed to be here. You know what, actually just search it, you could always just search it. Add directions, scene, and then change the scene, and then win. But once again, I think this will arouse another another problem, which if you don't know, I will showcase to you. The problem lies on this. See, it doesn't actually make you see the feeling of victory, or like it's just teleports you once you step on the vicinity of this spot. How do you fix that? Pretty basic once again. It's actually pretty basic to fix. You could just click edit option. I have P points, and we'll go put it right here. There you go. We're going to center. This would serve as our guidance later. Apply and untitled settings, then uncollision. There you go. We're gonna collide here. So we're just gonna find the position. Point inside object. And test if a point is in the object. There you go. Position X position point. Actually, just gonna use the we're just gonna use the as red heroes collision instead of the door, because the door has a complicated stuff. Go is just gonna use the easier part, which is finding the point using this one. Point set object. Test if the point. There you go. Then we're gonna find in door dot center dot x. There's the center position, and then door up. No, door point. That was just a dummy. Point. There you go. Point y. Then I'm just gonna put in the door dot. Okay, that sucks. Wait, door dot y. Actually, just use door center. You know what? Never mind. Just use door center. It'll work as well. I forgot that it doesn't actually register it. There you go. It'll hopefully work. Sometimes it doesn't. You could always just debug it on your own. See here, apply, climb up, and then boom. Make sure to fix the actual issue with the Z order. I'm just gonna lower this one up to a bit more bearable. There you go. Apply, and this should make it better. Apply, climb, sir, climb. Thank you. Oh, that's actually, there you go. It's a bit tall. So yeah, I think that's all the tutorials I can do. The tutorial I can do. That's pretty much this DMC. You could always add more coin. If you want to download this save file and you can always start here, or you want this as a base plate. I'm hoping that I will post this on GitHub, but yeah, that's all I can do. Tomorrow, maybe next time, I will do a tutorial about the enemies, maybe perhaps, or maybe checkpoint system, or yeah, that's all I can think of. Maybe put the moon. I think the moon would do better than putting it in the GUI. GUI there. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you all next time. Bye bye.